Alright everyone, welcome back. So picked up my quad lock finally. I got the phone case as well, but it's already on my phone, and got this vibration dampener and the one that goes in the middle. So I've honestly looked up YouTube videos on how to install it. I know you just take off this and we'll go from there. I'll show you guys the steps, but we'll do it as we go, I guess. So I'm gonna unbox this thing right here. Let's actually pull this. Get this open. What's that in there? These are just stickers, I guess. Okay. So you get stickers in the box, you get instructions, and you get this. But yeah, I'm about to start putting it together, and when you guys watch, I guess you'll learn as you see with me. So stay tuned. Okay, finally, I found one. Perfect. Comes right out. Keep this with you just in case. You never know.
Morning.
Hey bro, how are you?
Nah, son, sorry.
Oh, you good? You good?
Oh, you are?
Thank you, man.
You are, bro.
Appreciate it. Have a good one. Got a cool delivery guy. Just came with the part for the Ninja 400 actually. So stay tuned for that. Okay, it's on there tight now. And I lined all of these up together. That was harder than I thought. I'm gonna see if that works now. Oh, it is working. I don't know why I did that whole hassle of changing it out, so you don't need to change out to the bigger size. I'm going very, very slow. I'm not putting any pressure. That might be good enough. I don't want to over torque it. Yeah, it's not going anywhere. Okay, so after you put this, you're gonna take this one, drop it in there, screw this in. This tool should work for all these stuff. Don't over torque them. I know it looks like I am, but I'm not. I'm like, that's good. Okay, now after this, you put this thing, the vibration one. So this. Let me make sure if it's face up or down. Yeah, so it's face down, like this. How am I supposed to screw this in? Not sure if this is doing anything in there. Oh, it might be actually. Yep, so. Torque that. That's good. Make sure you remove this before you install it. Don't forget. And then, yeah, just install this and we're good. I can't believe I'm actually doing stuff on my bike, guys, by myself. You don't understand how proud I am. I never used to work on my stuff. I got sick of like begging people to work on stuff for me, and they never do it the way they would do it for their own car or bike, whatever. So I've been, man, just watching YouTube. That's why I love YouTube. Watching YouTube and learning and doing stuff myself and saving money. You don't need anybody. Center it where your phone, or how you want your phone to be. So let me do that. Because my handlebar right now is tilted, so let me make sure. Put it like this. Let me sit on it. Go straight. Okay, so if I was driving and I'm straight, I want this to be straight up. For sure. So I would want it like this. Yeah, it's not going anywhere. It's perfect. I thought it would interfere with my key, but it's not bad. And then you just throw your phone on there with the case, or you buy this, like the thing you put on the back of your case, and you stick it on with the like strong adhesive if you want to keep your case. But I like the case they were selling. It was $20. So this whole thing, guys, cost me $105. The case was about $30. The vibration thing was $20, this one, and this was about $60, the actual quad lock thing. So $106, I believe, with tax, and I walked out with that, and now finally can mount my phone here, and I have GPS, which is perfect. So happy about that, very happy. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you're new, like the video, I would appreciate it, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Just took the bike on like a 45-minute drive and went on the highway, went fast, went on a lot of bumps, and honestly it didn't move anywhere. I even like punched it a lot before, which I don't know if I should have done, because now like has a tiny bit of a wiggle, if you can see, but it's still in there. It won't come out. So it drove good, everything was good. My only complaint is I literally could not see the screen the whole drive because the sun was hitting it directly. I don't know if I should move it down, up, or something, which you can, so I might move it just so I can actually see my phone, because I could not see my screen whatsoever. But other than that, I mean, it's honestly perfect. I 100% recommend.